In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your page background with fill effects in Microsoft Word. If you want your document to stand out, maybe for a cover page, a brochure, or a report, changing the background is a simple way to add personality and structure. I'll walk you through every option so you can choose the look that fits your content while keeping readability in mind. Start in the Design tab at the top of your screen, then click Page Color. From the menu that appears, choose Fill Effects. This opens a dialog with 4 tabs, each designed for a different style of background: Gradient, Texture, Pattern, and Picture. The Gradient tab lets you blend 2 colors. This can be subtle and professional, like a light gray into white, or bold, like a branded color blending into a softer shade. Pick 2 colors that complement each other and avoid combinations that might make text hard to read. Gradients work especially well behind titles or sections where you want a gentle transition of tone. Next is the Texture tab. Here you can select built-in textures like marble, canvas, and more. These give the page a tactile feel without adding complex shapes. Textures are great for adding depth, but they can be busy if they're too dark or detailed. For documents with lots of text, lighter, low-contrast textures usually look cleaner and keep content legible. The Pattern tab offers repeating geometric patterns with a foreground and background color. This is useful for creating a consistent, structured look. Choose a calm background color and a foreground color that doesn't overpower your text. Smaller, lighter patterns feel more professional and are easier on the eyes, especially for longer documents. Finally, the Picture tab allows you to use an image as the background. Choose a high-resolution image that won't distract from your content. Soft, light images with plenty of empty space tend to work best. If the picture is busy or very dark, consider a softer alternative so your text remains the star. Once you've chosen your effect and customized the settings within that tab, click OK. Your background will apply instantly across the page. Take a moment to scan your document. If the text feels hard to read, opt for lighter tones, softer textures, or more subtle patterns, and keep strong contrast between the background and your text color. That's all you need to give your pages a polished, branded appearance. Experiment within these 4 tabs until the background enhances your content rather than competing with it, and you'll have a document that looks intentional and professional from the very first glance.